Hi guys, so for today's video I'm going to open a gift. I won it in a party we have, just like for fun, like singing karaoke. So my table decided that I'm going to representative in our table, because every table have two representative. So I'm the one of that. So ayun, sila ang namili ng kanta. Ang pinakanta ay Dancing Queen. So ayun, hindi ko alam na ganun. For fun lang naman yun, pero hindi namin alam na may na may prize. So ayun, kung sino yung nakakuha ng highest score, ayun, ay magkukumpit. Kung parehong pantay-pantay yung score, ay magkukumpit all again. Yun, isang kanta, kayong tatlo ang isang lang kanta, same na kanta. Kung sino yung pinakataas na kuha, ay yun ang panalo. Ayun, tatlo kaming unang nakakuha ng highest score. Tapos ayun, nagkanta ulit kami. Tapos ayun, same din kami ng score. Kaya kami tatlo nanalo. So, ayan. So, ito po ang regalo ko natanggap. So, for fun lang naman yung kanta-kanta namin. So, sabay-sabay nating buksan ito. So, ayan. Pero, ayan. Surprise gift lang naman to. Kasi representative. Wala namang nakakaalam na may may prize pala sa pagkanta. Pinitin natin kasi sabi nila ay daw. Ano kaya to? Okay. It's a coupon. So I get this in a coupon in Dali Valley. It's a restaurant. It's a buffet restaurant. So I got this. So may discount po ako nito. 25% discount in Dali Valley, where we always also good there. And it's thank you so much. I'm lucky. And this one. So this one is a scented candle. Pero ang bango-bango niya. Pero hindi ko siya buksan kasi hindi ko siya masindihan kasi yung husband ko is allergic siya ng candle. So yun siya, scented candle. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching, and have a nice day everyone. God bless you all. Bye bye.